The case for the castes and the census in India, the Hindu sources presumes is census as the Census Act 1944-48 and the NPR and National Register of the Citizen and NRC and etc. and GS paper once, paper first and paper second. Government policy and interventions and for the development of various sector and issues and arisings out of them etc. And article highlights caste survey in Bihar and found that the 63% of the Bihar and 13 crore populations and belonging to the caste listed under the extremely and backward classes in EBC and others the backward classes in OBC categories. Inside on the issues contact census. The census provided information on the size and distributions and the socio-economically demographics. Art 8 से ज़्यादा 8 18 demographic and other the characterize and of the country and population and the census was the first started under the British Viceroy and Lord Mayo in the 1872. It is help in the farmings and new policies and government programs to the uplift areas of improvement in the community and the first and the synchronous and census in India was held in the 1881 every 10 years. The since then the census has been undertaken uninterruptedly and once the every 10 years and who conduct the census. The responsibility of the conducting and the decennials and census rest with the office of the registrars generals and the census commissioners in India after India under the Ministry of the Home Affairs and Government of India. The census is one of the most and credible and sources of information on the following: demography and economic activities and literacy and education, housings and the household and amenities, urbanization, fertility and the morality, and schedules caste and the schedules tribe and language and census in India. India first census was held in the 1872 and conducted the known and the synchronously and in the different part of the countries, and after that India has held its the decadals and the census and regularly and from the 1881 and to the 2011 says SECC and socio-economic and caste census and SECC and was first conducted in the 1931 which aimed into the collected information and on the economically status of Indian families and both in the rural and the urban areas and its and to the identified and the indicators of the deprivation. It is also collected and data on the specific caste and caste names and to the emulates evaluate the economic condition of the different caste groups and different between the census and the SECC. Census provided and the a general portrait and of the Indian population and while SECC is used to the identified and beneficiaries of the state support and census data is the confidential and under the Census Act of the 1948 while personal information and SECC and is open for the use and by the government department and to the grant or the restrict beneficially and to the household the history of the caste based and data collection in India. The caste based data collection has other long and the history in India and with the information on the castes being included up to the 1931 and the post of 1951 and the decisions to stop the collecting caste data was made and to move away from its divisions and the approach and the promotes and national unity. What do socio-economically data indicates and the averages monthly per capita and consumptions and expenditures and MPCE of the scheduled tribe and ST and the scheduled caste SC household in rural and areas where the respectively and 65% and 73% and 84% of the MPCE of the other national sample survey NSS and 2011 and 2012 In urban areas, the averages MPCN of the ST and SC and the OBCs household and were 68% and 63% and the 70% of the total categories in 2011 and 12. NIT NIT and the Rourkelas, and it has the established and that the while on averages 25% of the Indians and were the multidimensionally poor in the 2015 and 16. The poverty ratio among the STN was the 44.4% and the SCN 29.2%, the OBC 24.5% and the others and 14.9%. Estimates by the scholars and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative. Estimated and by the scholar and from the Oxford and the Poverty and the Human Development Initiative OPHIN show and that the while and 8 more almost and the 28% of all the Indians and were the multidimensionals were in 2015. Poverty hate count ratio and among the poverty hate counts and the ratio among the STN was and the 51.6% and SCCS and the 33.3%, OBC 27.2% and the other 15.6%. The multidimensional poverty and hate counted ratio among the Muslims aid the 31%. Was also higher than and that of the Hindus and 28% of the Christian and 16% and other the religion communities 15.7%. The Sachars and the Community Report 2006 and had the estimated and that the 31% of the Muslims bear the below and poverty line on the basis of the NSS and 61% round in 2004 and 2005. Poverty and the head count ratio amongst the SC and the ST and together was the 35% and Hindu OBCs 21% and the other and Hindus the general categories and 8.7%. Methodologies of the poverty and estimated and have the change in significantly and in the past 2 decades, suggesting other significant decline in the poverty level. Education and the unemployment, the general categories has other such higher the proportions of the literated and the secondary and high schools and pass out and graduated and the post-graduated than OBCs, SC and STs. As per NSS and the 75 round in 2017 and 18 and while only the 3% and of the STs and 4% of the STs and 6% of the OBCs are the graduated, the proportions of graduated in the second categories is over the 12% and 3% and among the OBCs around 1% and among the SC and the ST below 1%. In terms of the employee and the status and PLFS in 2021 and 22 over the 30% of the workforce in the general categories had other regulars and jobs and proportions and of the regulars or the salaries salaried and workers among the OBCs and the SCs was around 20% and among the STs and just over 12% and almost the 29% of the STs and 38% of the SC and 20% of the OBC were casual laborers and against only the 11.2% of the general categories. Information sectors is largely populated and with the ST and the SCs and OBCs and while the generals and categories has other disproportionality and large share of the formals and the unemployment. As per Union government data, and 52.7% and of the whom belonging to the general categories and the proportion of the unemployed in the general categories is much the greater as the over 64% in the most qualified and highest paid and the cohort. Group A employees and Ben did the caste survey. In begins. The caste is ठीक है, बनाना हो तो बनाओ, नहीं बनाओ तो मत बनाओ। मैं नहीं बना रही। And ठीक है Bandist caste survey began and caste and the wise and the enumeration of the populations and was the introduced under the British colonial administration in 1881 and continued until the 1931 and the census independence India government and the abandoned and full the caste emulations and on the apprehension and that it the would and the strengthens caste division and the perpetuated and the caste systems. The report of the background classes and commission 1918 and there is the equalities and only the among equal and to the equate and the inequate and is to the perpetuate inequality. The Mandal Commission report and it the estimated and the combined and population of the Hindus and non-Hindus and OBC to be the 52% of the Indian population and Article 15(4) enables the state and to make the special provisions and for the advancement of the society socially and the educationally and backward classes of the citizens. And while the population share of the OBC and was estimated at the 52%, only the 27% reservation for the OBC in all the government services, technical and professional institute was the recommended and by the Mandal commissions. In order to keep the overall reservation for the SC and ST and OBC together below the 50% selling said by the Supreme Court on Indra Shahani judgment and identification of the group or the collective by any criteria and other than the caste and such as the occupations and come the socials and come the educational and come the economically criteria ending in the caste may not be the valid. Way forward giving when the bide and the divergences of the OBC population and thrown up by the various official samples and survey ranging from the 41% and to the 46% between the 2015 and 16 and 2021 and 22. Only a full cast and the enumerations and can help in the ascertaining and the accurate numbers. देख तो टाइम है सब बर्थडे में शामिल होंगे और कुछ नहीं. Ascertaining the numbers and the properties of the individuals and caste and within the OBCs categories have the assumed and must be significant in the light and of the concern and regarding the reservation and other the benefits and for the OBCs and among the certain and dominated caste groups the Bihar and survey and so that the 122 small caste group and combined together in the EBC and the categories. It is the occupied. It is accounted for the 36 of the state population and which was the largest share among the social categories. Justice Rohani Commission other national wide social and the economically caste census is the necessary to involve the scientific criteria for such the subcategorization and this would also be the necessary for all the state and which have there on the state level on OBC list and giving the wide variety in the caste combinations. Question for the practice discuss the main objectives and of the population education and point out the methods and to achieve them in the India's in detail UPSC 2021. Editorial analysis. भैया हट जा यहाँ से देख abortion law in the spotlight. Prelim function and the responsible of the union and the state and schemes and for the vulnerable section and fundamental right abortions laws and GS paper 1 and 2 and role of the woman and the women organization. Scheme vulnerable section and fundamental rights and article highlights. A married woman on 26 weeks and pregnant has the approached the Supreme Court and seeking to the terminate her pregnancies and the setting inability to take care of the child and due to the postpartum and the depressions and the other health issues significant insight on the issues and contact abortions. It is defined as the terminated of the pregnancy and by various methods and including the medical science. Before the fetus. ज़्यादा गोरू निकल रहा होगा. Before the fetus is the oval and to the substance and the independent life and the MTP Act and the 1971 and MTP Act of the Amendment 2021. Gestational age limits 20 weeks for all the indicators and 24 weeks and for the rape survivor and beyond the 24 weeks and for the substantial and fatal normalizations. MTP Amendment Act 2021 and the terminated due to the failures and the contraceptives. Contraceptive method or the divided and under the act the pregnancy may be the terminated up to the 20 weeks and by the married woman in the case of the futures of the contraceptive method or the device an unmarried woman, it is allowed the unmarried woman and to also the terminated and the pregnancy or for this reasons opinion needed and for the terminations of the pregnancy. Opinion of one the registered and medical practitioners and the RMP and for the terminated of the pregnancy due to the 20 week of the gestation. Opinion of the two RMPs and for the terminated of pregnancy of the 20 and 24 weeks of the gestation and opinion of the state level and medicals board is essential for other pregnancy and to be the terminated after the 24 weeks in the case of the substantial fetal normalization and upper the gestations. Upper the gestations and limit and for the special categories and increase the upper gestations and limit from the 20 to 24 weeks and for the special categories and of the woman including survivors of the rape and the victims and of the incentives and the other vulnerable women and different the adults and women and minors among other. Confidently the name and the other particulars and of other women and whose the pregnancy has been terminated and shall not be revealed and expected to other person authorization in any the laws and that is the currently in force. Supreme Court verdict aborting and it aid the this stage and would means the either putting other stop to the heartbeat or the delivering the baby prematurely, which might lead to the severe and the complications and both mental and physical and for the child. A larger bench and the headed by the Chief Justice of India and court cannot the outlook the right of and the unborn child. A two judges bench and first the allowed the woman and to end the her pregnancy and then the withdraw the verdict and the deferred on the whether the abortion could go the forwards. This was following a medical report.
जल्दी मोर साथ वाली में चाहिए 2-3 अब चाहिए 5 चाहिए अब तो 5 अब 10 चाहिए 1000 ही लगभग
Medical report. Medical report from AIIMS and that the fetal's heart and would have to be the stored and as a part of the procedures and justice Kohli. Justice Kohli and the revival and the earlier decision and could not ask and to stop the heartbeat and of the fetals and there was life and the Justice Nagarathna and the petitioner was determined about the her and the decisions and to note the proceedings ahead with her pregnancy and the treasuring a the pro life and the verses and pro the choices and the debate. the petitioners, and she was the asking and for her the rights under the Article 21 protections of the life and the personal liberty and which the overrides and the MTP Act. The observations and by the CGI and heated bench, the bench observed that there are the right of the unborn child and that other woman's autonomy is also the important. The bench said that the rights and of the unborn child and the should also be the balanced. And what does the MTP Act says? Opinions of only and one registered and the medicals and practitioners and will be the required and for the abortions of the fetals and up to the 20 weeks of the gestations and of the 2 and 4 the terminations of pregnancy from the 20 to the 24 weeks of the gestation. The opinion of the state level medical board is required and for the abortions and over the 24 weeks in case of the suspended and fatal the abnormalizations. What is the global intent on the abortion laws? Since the early 1919 and nearly the 60 countries and across the would have the eased and abortion law to the expanded the ground under which the abortion is legal. 4 countries, namely the US and El Salvador and the Nicaragua and the Poland, have the removed legal grounds and for the abortion during this the time period. US Supreme Court eliminated and the constitutional right to the abortion in 2022. Way forward, Indian legal scenario is not the clear on the whether the fetal is other living and being or not. Even if the Supreme Court and takes other pro-choices and view in this case, it will not be the able to set other precedent and for the fetals for the future. The Indian public and the health systems and in note the greeted and up to the addresses and this and that the private and health care is very the experiences. The 2021 and Act the increased the uppers and gestation limit. Gestation limit. Gestation limits. The 2021 Act increased the upper gestation limit and from the 20 to 24 and week for the special and the categories of the women, including survivor of the rape and victims of the incentives and other the vulnerable women like the differently ables and minors. The law acknowledges the right of the every person and the capable of becoming pregnant to be the able to decide and what she thinking is the best and for the her without the needs for any third party authorization. Question for practice. Women movement in India has not the addresses the issue of the women of the lower social strata and the substantial your views. Editorial analysis unhealthy the urban Indias and must get into the street and fight mode. The Hindu. CO2 prelims and CO2 and SDG and air pollution and type 2 the debates and T2D and the cardiac killers and diseases etc. Men's GS paper 2 conversation environment pollution and the degradations solar energy and it is the use in different the sector particularly the agriculture etc. Articles highlighted India urban populations and is the estimated to reach the 675 millions in the 2035, the second highest in the world. A World Bank. A World Bank report on the financially India and urban the infrastructures need and reveal that the private investment and are not the sufficient for the urban problems. Inside on the issues and context 73rd and 74 Constitutional Amendment Act. Silent feature of the 74th and 74 Constitutional Amendment Act 1992. Panchayat and the municipals and will be the institutions of the self-government and basic the units of the democratic systems and Gram Sabhas. Villages and the wards and communities and the municipalities comprising all the adult member and the registered as the voters and 3 tier system of the panchayat and 8 the village intermediated and the blocks. Taluks, mandals and the district level and the smaller and state and with the population and below the 2 millions and only 2 tiers. Seat all the labor and field and by the direct election seat reserved. For scheduled caste SC and the chairperson of the panchayat and 8 all the levels and also said be the reservation and for the SC and the ST in the proportions to their population and 1/3 of the total numbers of seats and reserved for women and 1/3 of the seats and reserved for SC and ST also the reserved and for the women and 1/3 the offices of the chairpersons. It all the levels and reserved and for the women. Uniform 5 years and terms and the election and to the constitutes new bodies to be the complaint and before the expiries of the terms and in the event of the dissolution. Election compulsory and the 16/6. Within 6 months, Independence Election Commission in each the state and for the superintendent and direction and control of the electoral rolls. Panchayat to the prepare and plan for the economically development and social justice in the respect of the 29 subject and listed in the 11 schedule 74 amendment and provided for the district's planning committee to consolidate and the plans and prepared by panchayat and municipalities and fund the budgetary and the allocation from the state government and the revenue of the certain taxes and collect and the retain and the revenue it's the raise central government programs and grant fund budgetary and the allocation from the state government and the revenue of the certain taxes and the collect and the retail and the revenue it is the raised and the central government programs and grant in each state the finance and commission to determine and the principle on the basis of the which the adequate financial resources and would be the ensure for the panchayat and the municipalities urban India and the multiple health risk. World highest level of the air and the noise pollution limited greenery and lack of the access to the wide walk and the park and that the limit active lifestyle and the arches modes of the transport and that the contribute हाँ रख दो यही lack of the access to the sidewalk and the park and that limit the active lifestyles arcade modes of the transport and that contributed to the air pollution and pernicious access to the nutritionality and dense the unhealthy foods and unprecedented and exposures and to the toxin chemicals and heavy metals impact and it is the magnificent health the risk and for the heart diseases and the diabetes and refers to as the cardiometabolics and diseases especially and when the combine and with the lack of the physical activity key physicals and the providing and system and that the leads at the core of the humans and heart well-being and the equality and the sustainability and food energy and the mobility transportations and housing green infrastructure and water and the waste management issues with the dysfunctionals and the providing systems it and the consumes and more than 90% of the world water and the global CO2 and it is the facilitated and as and the estimated at 19 million and the premature death annually and the socio-spatial and the politically and design of the urban providing the system in many of which are the legacies and of the colonial past and they the manifest in and the exacerbated and the social inequalities in the cities and race age and the migrated and the disabilities status it translated into the best and disparities in the health and risk and the outcomes what action and need to be the taken and investments such as the clean energy and the clean and electrical mobility and the which are the underways. They offer either once and in other lifetimes an opportunity to improve the health through their the immediately and the dramatically impact on air pollution level the while also helping meet India climate and the equality and goals. The magnitude of the impact on the health and outcomes is at the risk of the being limited and if not and the extremely and the accompanied by the changes in the other and providing systems such as the food and mobility and green infrastructure study and show that the even small changes in the latter system and may have the large and the catalytic effect on the health and the productivity and the share serves as double duty or the triple duty interventions. For example, making before the safe working and the weakening lane and the pavements and the no cars and zone it can the help improve the physical activities and the reduce sedentary lifestyle. It is the reduce the risk and from the air pollution.
मम्मी का तो बड़ा पे केक ले रहे थे हम भी यश बेकरी से मैंने के मैंने निकले
यस बेकरी पता हो मेरा दोस्त काम करते हैं
उसके लिए मुंह नहीं खोलोगा
अरे मुझे और वहीं पे जाओ
बात भी हो गई
अब जब कभी भी जाऊँ ना भला कर मेरी बात करो
Regular physical exercise and has been the effectively and the mitigate the impact of the other risk and factor and such as the poor diets and particularly those rich in categories and the situated